Hey guys, Jason Strong here with Venturian WatchWorks. We're going to go over step by step how to use a compass watch to find north using the Wildsider. Check it out. All right guys, let's dive right in here. We have our Wildsider laying flat, which is step one. The sun is this tape up here. And step two is going to be rotating your watch so that the hour hand points towards the sun. So we're going to say that's roughly 4 o'clock. That is going to be pointing at the sun. If it's before noon, what you're going to do is you're going to bisect 4 o'clock with noon clockwise. So that's going to be at that 8 o'clock position. That's going to be what's called a bisection. Since it's afternoon, you're going to bisect your 4 o'clock hour with noon, and that's going to give us 2 o'clock. So again, we're going to bisect the hour hand with noon, afternoon, counterclockwise to find south. Okay, so we're going to rotate and point 2 o'clock at the sun, and then we're going to rotate our bezel south. It's going to be right at that 2 o'clock position. Now we have roughly found south, and now we roughly have north, and we are ready to go orienteering. There's more on Venturian.co that you can dig into here on this subject step by step with drawings if you want to practice. Again, I know that bisection is the tricky part to use a compass watch, but essentially you're sundialing with a watch, and in this particular moment you have a bezel to rotate, and so you've found roughly south, again roughly north, and you're ready to go orienteering. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Give us a follow at Venturian USA on social channels, and check out the Wildsider at Venturian.co. That's Venturian.co. Thanks guys for hanging out today. Hope to see you soon.